Turn your angle grinder into a cutting monster with this #1 method.
Now, if you use an angle grinder often, or maybe you're new to angle grinders, what you'll typically notice is that there are all kinds of blades for all kinds of different materials. Typically, you have to have a blade for each type of material that you're cutting.
Most regular cut-off blades are simply not built to last and are cheap. Imagine being able to even cut through stone and cinder blocks with your angle grinder. This is only possible with the ToughGrit Diamond Angle Grinder Blade by Wonderblade.
Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon.